Hi all, this video I'm going to change the oil in my Simpson pressure washer, 3000 psi. It's been a great pressure washer. It's got a Honda motor on it, and I've owned it for a few years now and have never changed the oil. Just looking at it, it's been a fantastic pressure washer. I bought it from Costco. Oil fill and dipstick is right there, and you can see the oil's pretty dirty, so it's probably broken down over a few years of use. And I've always maintained it properly in the winter as far as the water pressure areas go with the lubricant and fuel. I have never changed the oil in the motor though, so for some reason I can't find a drain valve on this. This is your start, your fuel valve. I can't find the drain plug. Air filter, I've flipped it up and upside down and back. I love the pressure washer. It's done fantastic things for me. The only thing I don't like is it's a very small gas tank. It holds about a half gallon. So if you pressure wash for anything more than about 45 minutes or an hour, you're gonna be filling your gas tank. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this drain plug out, and then I'm gonna tip the pressure washer on its side. And that's okay to do probably with this motor design, because the gas tank and the air filter are over here. And so that side will be up in the air. No oil or fuel will get down into there. So that will be up in the air, and I can drain out all the oil. Okay, here we go. I set up a paper towel and a pan, the plug. I'm probably gonna spill on myself or spill on my garage floor. But we'll see how it works out. So I try to get most of it in that pan. I can see the oil already starting to come up. So I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. See if I can set it up. I'm going to hold this pan here until it stops or slows just to a drip. I can see the reflection in the oil. Still just a steady, slow stream. There's probably an easier way to do this. Okay, I think it's about done. Grab some paper towels and wipe it up. This is where we're at. Plug hole's clean, dipstick's clean, old oil. And got my funnel and some 5W20 oil. I got a little bit lesser weight, still low quality oil, Quaker State, cheap stuff, but it's a pressure washer. It's not my motor in my Silverado, so let's get her filled up with probably about half a quart, it looks like, and then go from there. Okay, I got my funnel in, got my oil, give her about half a quart. If you didn't know, this is the proper way to pour an oil in a quart. It lets the air go to the top of the bowl, the bottle, and that's about half a quart. You can see with sunlight right there. So let's let her drain all the way. I got this box here with a paper towel stuffed in the bottom to let the funnel continue draining out the rest of the way. So it looks pretty good. I'll put the dipstick in and see where we're at. Tighten it up. Come out. That was a clean dipstick going in. See where we're at. I think it's right about where I want to be, right at that line. It's clean. And I can see the oil. You probably can't in the video, but I can see the oil right at the bottom of the threads of that dipstick. So I think it's right about where I want to be. And I'm going to go ahead and also add some sea foam to the gas tank, about 1/3 of a can. Or maybe not, maybe just a couple capfuls, because it's just a half-gallon tank. So 1 or 2 capfuls, and then keep those valves and pistons and lifters and everything in there cleaned up. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment if you have any suggestions or comments, and we'll go from there. Watch the video.